Amakhosi are monitoring Mamelodi Sundowns' highly rated midfielder. Haashim Domingo is a South African footballer who was born 13 August 1995. Domingo is a Cape-Town-born midfielder who went through youth structures. According to Sokazela, Haashim Domingo, leaving champions Mamelodi Sundowns on a free transfer, could be one of the biggest stories of the season. Amakhosi reporter confirmed that they are keen on Mamelodi Sundowns' potential player service as they are gearing up for next season. Several DStv Premiership teams are monitoring Haashim as he is a free agent. Domingo's agent, Lance Davids, added that we could not agree on new terms, and I can confirm to you Haashim is a free agent as things stand. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.